In this video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange pages in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Docs doesn't let you drag and drop entire pages like you can in presentation software because pages are created automatically based on your content. Instead, you're going to need to move the content from one page to the other. Now, the best way to do this is to go ahead and open up your Google Docs, and then head on over to the page or pages you want to rearrange. Scroll through the document and find the pages you like to move. So here I want to go ahead and move page 2. Now select at the beginning of the page you want to move and then click and drag your mouse all the way down until all that content of that page is highlighted. Now be careful not to select content from pages before or after unless you want to move them as well. Then we want to go ahead and cut the content. So once everything is selected, we can go ahead and click on right click on cut, or if you're on Windows, Control X, or Mac, Command X. Now this selected content will disappear and be copied to your clipboard like so. Now if there's anything on that page, you can go ahead and just hit backspace. Now basically go to the new section. So I want to go ahead and put it at the front of this page. So what I want to do is click at the top of it and then click on Control V, and that's going to paste that in. And then from here, I can just go ahead and hit enter on my keyboard and then move that content to page 2.